Woo! Flashy, flashy lights. Okay, Monday, October 18th, about 4:05 p.m., give or take. Flashy, flashy lights. Stop sign. Well, let's see what happens here. You see the stop sign, right? Okay. Because you're not paying attention, dude. You work for Dominos too. I got your license plate, your VIN number, and I'm going to report you to Dominos because that guy was stopped back there because this school bus has got its lights flashing and the stop sign out. So if you can't see that as a professional driver, you shouldn't be driving. I hope you enjoy your job. This will be on the internet tonight, okay? I have a YouTube channel. I don't care what you think. You put my kid at risk by not paying attention to the driving laws. Say hello. You'll be on the internet tonight.